used these 2 days as an opportunity for us to practice contemplative practice of deeper attention, intention, and reflection.
What an incredible constellation of beings and energies we have here today. Fundamentally, what we're going to explore is being human. What it means to be human, to experience our precious human life. This symposium asks, how can contemplative practices and emerging technologies be coupled to revitalize the human capacity for sense-making? The symposium is conceived to redirect scholarly attention to the human sensorium, to assert the central role of experience in knowledge making. We live during a global epoch of heightened distraction and rapid change. This moment requires new ways of thinking and responding. But most fundamentally, how we care as living organisms, as humans, how we make meaning in the processes of self and being a self in a chaotic world. The very artful processes of interpreting and responding, which are driven by an innate care for who we are, what we do, and how we are.